morning student. Today we are going to see one new lesson. That lesson name is Onam, the harvest festival of India. Now tell me how many festival we celebrate in India. There are many festival we celebrate in India like Ganesh Utsav, Christmas, Holi, Diwali, Dashehara. You see in this picture first this is the Holi celebration. Then this is Dashehara celebration. This is Ganesh Utsav. We celebrate many festivals in India. There are many religious people live in India. We live together. So that's the reason we celebrate different festivals in India. Today we will see new lesson. That lesson name is Onam, the harvest festival of Kerala. Legend of Onam, King Mahabali. Once upon a time, in a southern state in India called Kerala, there ruled a well-respected and wise king named Mahabali. During King Mahabali's rule, his subjects were very happy indeed, as there was no crime or injustice throughout the land. The Devas from the heavens above observed this perfect earthly kingdom, its people and their kingdom. They were jealous. They were worried that Mahabali would become more powerful than them. So they went to Devas, the god of Vishnu, preserver, to help. O Vishnu, Mahabali grows mightier day by day. What if he tries to change our supremacy? Help us, please help us curb his power. Vishnu took the form of a draft Vaman and came down earth to approach the king. The king, in his pride, offered Vaman a boon. Welcome, a holy man. Ask of me everything you please. Nothing is impossible for me. Nothing is beyond bounds. Vaman therefore requested of Mahabali, only give me as much land as can be covered by my 3 steps. The king cheerfully proceeded to grant him his wish. The draft, however, began to expand. With his first step, he covered the sky, even blotting out the stars. With his second step, he spanned the nether world. Mahabali realized that Vaman's third step would destroy the earth. Humble, he said, Guru, please your last step on my underworthy head. He had understood only too late that Vishnu himself had taken the form of the draft to make him acknowledge for folly of his part. Vaman's last step pushed Mahabali right into the nether regions. The gods were appeared, but since Mahabali was so attached to his kingdom and its subject and was well loved by his people, he was allowed to return there one a year. The day King Mahabali returns from exile to visit his beloved people is celebrated Onam festival. Onam is thus celebrated by taking the resolutions to lead a new life of truth, piety, love, and humanity. Now here is a one activity. Paste a picture of your favorite festival below and what you like most about the festival, that you tell, that you write here 2 lines. For example, now you Diwali festival, you paste picture and write 2 lines about Diwali festival. Okay, we start the lesson. Meera and Vinu Nair live in Delhi with their 2 daughters, Jayanti and Jyoti. The Nair family is very happy family as they are going to visit their relatives in Kerala and also celebrate Onam after a long time with their friends and family. As they land at the airport, their uncle Gopal welcomes them and takes them to their native village Triputhura, where their entire family has gathered to celebrate the festival together. Jayanti and Jyoti have lots of questions about the festival, the story behind it, and the way it is celebrated. Uncle Gopal smiles at their queries and explains to the little girls in the form a story. Now here one family is coming to visit to their native village, means their own place. They came to celebrate their festival, Onam festival, to their native place. And they, some girls are curious to know about the Onam. So they are asking to their uncle Gopal the queries and the information of Onam. So Uncle Gopal also now telling a story to the girls. Gaiti Mary making and feasting assure King Mahabali that all's well in his land, Kerala. In the month of Shravan, when the land is lush green, the Malayalis celebrate Onam. Onam is the state festival of Kerala and is celebrated for 10 days. Onam celebrate 10 days and it is a state festival of Kerala. So that is very important to the Kerala people. The legend goes that the powerful demon king Mahabali was great devotee to his people. He was able just and fulfill the wishes of his objects. The gods, fearing his growing power, took Lord Vishnu's help. Vishnu took the form of a child called Vaman and asked Mahabali for a piece of land equal his 3 foot step. The king granted his wish. Lord Vishnu grew in the size Onam is believed to be the day King Mahabali's returned to his people Mahabali to welcome him. Before that, land, the king requested and Lord Vishnu to let him visit his people on clean and everyone wears new clothes and gold ornaments. Children prepare a tin-tired flower decoration called Ananthapan. One tire for each of 10 days, coconut leaves, core, and cone decorations are hung at the entrance of homes. An Onam festival is traditionally served on banana leaves. On banana leaves and include delicious like sambar, rasam, payasam, avail, and kuttu. Onam cannot be complete without the snake boat races. A pageant of dancer, musician, and folk artist appear in boats. At the end of the celebration, hundreds of 100 feet long snake boats called chundans participate in a race. Each boat has more than 120 men rowing to the rhythm of drums of kambals and kathakali is performed at night. Onam festival, people make different dishes. Like in our India, in our Maharashtra, we also celebrate some festival. So in that time, we also make something new, cook to the festival. Like here, same Kerala also, people cook delicious food. There are lots of feasting and merrymaking, dear girls. Enough for now. All your cousins and friends are eagerly waiting for you. As they reached their village, Triputhura, there was a lot of laughter and happiness in the air. Uncle Gopal smiled. Onam has begun. Now here girls are happy. Now story also they listen. Gopal uncle told story, and now girl all the relatives are to waiting for them. So now they start the Onam festival. I hope you all student you like and understand the lesson, because before teaching lesson I took one Webex meeting. In that meeting I told the importance of Onam festival. So all I hope you understand the lesson. This is the festival of harvest festival of Kerala and the story of King Mahabali. So how was the king and why the festival they celebrate in Kerala? So I hope you understand lesson. Now first question we will see. First B question we will see, because it's fill in the blanks. Complete the following sentences. 1. Meera and Vinu Nair live in dash dash with their two daughters dash dash and dash dash. Now answer is Meera and Vinu Nair live in Delhi with their two daughters Jayanti and Jyoti. Second, they are going to visit their Kerala and celebrate Onam festival. Third one, Gayatri Mary making and feasting, assuring King Mahabali that all is well in his land is lush green. Next, Onam is celebrated in the month of Shravan. Fifth number, as Onam fest is traditionally served on banana leaves. Question 1. Why was the Nair family happy? Answer. Nair family was happy because they are going to visit their relatives in Kerala and also celebrate Onam festival. Next question. Why was King Mahabali loved by his people? King Mahabali loved by his people because he was able and just and fulfilled the wishes of his subjects. Third question, what did Vaman do? What did Vaman do? Vaman, Vishnu took the form of child called Vaman, and he asked Mahabali for a piece of land equal to his 3 footsteps. Now the king granted wish. Lord Vishnu means Vaman grew in size and conquered all the 3 worlds and sent Mahabali to Petal or hell. Fourth question, how do the children decorate their homes? Answer, children prepare a tin tire flower decoration called Ananthapan, 1 tire for each of the 10 days. Now fifth number question, how do the people welcome their King Mahabali every year? People clean houses and everyone wear new clothes and gold ornaments. Then children also decorate houses. Coconut leaves, core and cane decorations are hung at the entrance of homes. And Onam feast traditionally serve banana leaves and make delicious food like sambar, rasam, paisam, abal, kuttu. These are the dishes they made. Then they complete snake boat. They also dance different folk dance like Kathakali. In this way, they say they welcome the King Mahabali every year.